case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 1988 Vermont Supreme Court case, Benya v. Stevens and Thompson Paper Company, a dispute arose over the sale of timberland in Vermont after a U.S. citizen living in Great Britain showed interest in purchasing the property. Landvest Inc., which was responsible for preparing an initial agreement between the parties, found itself at the center of a legal battle when the defendant made changes to the plaintiff's agreement, and the plaintiff disagreed with these modifications. After Landvest drafted new agreements in attempts to resolve the dispute, the property was eventually sold to another purchaser. The plaintiff sued the defendant for breach of contract and was awarded $300,000 in actual damages, $50,000 in punitive damages, and interest. The defendant appealed the decision, claiming there was no binding agreement between the parties and that the statute of frauds applied. In their decision, the court focused on the notion that both parties must agree on all essential details in order to form a valid agreement, and that any changes made to an offer must be accepted or rejected by the original offerer. Ultimately, the court held that the defendant did not accept the initial September 24 agreement and that the statute of frauds applied since they didn't sign the subsequent October 19 document. As a result, the defendant had not breached any contract, and the judgment for the plaintiff was vacated. The case emphasizes the importance of clear communications and mutual agreement when forming contracts, especially in real estate transactions.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.